This is the train to Shenfield via Stratford. Next station, Whitechapel. Change for District, Hammersmith and City and London Overground lines. Change here for trains to Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf. Step-free access information. Boarding ramps are in use at all stations between Stratford and Shenfield. If you have not arranged step-free assistance, please alight this train at Whitechapel and speak to a member of station staff. This is the train to Paddington. Next station, Whitechapel. Change for District, Hammersmith and City and London Overground lines. Change here for trains to Reading and Heathrow Airport. This is the train to Heathrow Terminal 4. Next station, Whitechapel. Change for District, Hammersmith and City and London Overground lines. Change here for trains to Reading. This is the train to Reading. Next station, Whitechapel. Change for District, Hammersmith and City and London Overground lines. Change here for trains to Heathrow Airport.